Today we're making Amlou. It's almonds, argan, honey, and some salt. Very easy, something you can do at home by yourself from scratch. Of course, argan oil I got from Morocco, from Agadir. Almonds, German supermarket. Now, of course, I'm pretty sure it's imported. Honey, actually, I will trust Germans with honey. I have some nice flaky salt from England.
I'm going to roast 400 grams of raw almonds in 2 batches on medium-high heat. You want to roast them until they are dark brown, but you need to go a little bit longer until you see small spots of black on both sides. That would mean that the almonds are cooked inside and out.
If you like more and more videos about Moroccan food, it is time to like and subscribe. I don't make a lot of videos, but whenever one comes up, you'll see the notification and you can come and you can watch it. So please do so.
We will blend the almonds until you get a creamy, almost liquid texture. Once in a while, you need to stop to make sure that the almonds don't stick to the walls of the blender. Add 4 grams of salt and continue blending until you finally get this creamy smooth almond mix.
We're gonna blend it until it's watery.
Add in 110 ml of argan oil and 120 grams of honey while constantly mixing.
Argan oil have gotten so expensive, it's crazy. Having it in cosmetics have made it so hard for people to just have it for food. The production went up, quality went down. You really need to look really hard to find someone that gives you good argan oil. All the argan hype was never there before. Nobody was putting argan oil on their skin. You eat argan oil. Beauty is inside out. It's a lovely giant bowl, which later is gonna go in the fridge, of course. Put it in a jar, close the jar. It can stay in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Generally, if you made it right, it wouldn't last that long. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Or in another video. Take care.